All right. And how do you take it off? It's pretty easy. So you come here, you press it up. That's it. This metal thing, you just press it directly up. Push. So you make it up. Same thing right here. Just with your two fingers, you just press it up. And you can take it off. Okay?
When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I could offer you a warm embrace
So the first one is out.
to make you feel my love.
I'm gonna change, replace this one.
When the evening shadows and the stars
Alright, so I take the first one out.
and there is no one there to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I will never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met. No doubt in my mind where you belong. I go hungry, I go black and blue. I go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. The stars are raging on the rolling sea and on the highway of regret. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. Nothing that I couldn't go to the ends of the earth for you to make you feel my love, to make you feel my love. Malaika, nakupenda malaika. Malaika, nakupenda malaika. Ningekuwa mariwe, ningekuwa dada. Nashingana manisi nawe, ningekuwa malaika. Nashingana manisi nawe, ningekuwa malaika. Ese hunyangu nami uniponyeji kingana mwenzinyo nashingana manisi nawe ningekuwa malaika nashingana manisi nawe ningekuwa malaika kidege kukuwaza kidege kidege kukuwaza kidege nami uniponyeji kigana mwenzinyo nashingana manisi nawe chongli ningekuwa malaika nashingana manisi nawe ningekuwa malaika esa zasudu wadu hunyangu esa zasudu wadu hunyangu nami uniponyeji kingana mwenzinyo nashingana manisi nawe ningekuwa malaika nashingana manisi nawe ningekuwa malaika ningekuwa malaika ningekuwa malaika
Yeah. Nice one. This one is pretty clean. Bosch Platinum again. 4. Same what I'm taking out. Okay. This one I don't like how the bass looks, so that was a good idea for me to change that. So yeah, but I still do not see any trace of oil. Okay. make like the casing.